Okay, welcome to our video on soldering the battery pack. First of all, we'll make sure that we've got everything we need. We have the battery pack, we have a black and a red wire, we have the switch, wire strippers, pliers, cutters, solder, and safety. Okay, three things to consider with safety. First is avoid the fumes. To do that, we turn on the fan. It has all the fumes extracted out of here. Second thing, this is going to be hot. We've turned it on to preheat. Don't touch the metal bits. That's hot, don't touch. Third is safety goggles. Okay, even though I'm wearing glasses to see what I'm doing, I'm putting on my safety goggles so that these don't get splattered by any spare dots of solder. Okay, first of all, we need to just tin up our soldering iron. Just getting it ready, so we just touch that on there. So it has a bit of a cover of solder on there now. Preparation. We snip off the ends of our wires that we want. We only need to do one of them. And we strip it. And tin it. To tin it, all as we do, we heat up the wire and touch it against the solder. It's now, by heating it, it gets the solder to be absorbed right in between each of the wires. We then get our pliers, put a bend in the end, put a bend in the ends of each of our other wires here as well. And we'll bend over one of these black ones. This is instead of cutting it off. This one here we're going to attach to an end there, and we hook that on the same side, and again just squeeze that, that holds in place. We'll solder those in place shortly. And then we join our red wires This is the fiddly part. If you've got big fingers, big problems. First world problems. Okay, now we need to add a bit of solder to actually join these. To do that, I hold that over the end there. Join them there. With these bits, I heat up the hole and touch the solder to it. So once the hole's heated, it absorbs the solder quite nicely. We can see there that there's a continuous link there, so I've done that all correctly. Okay, so that there is now soldered. So we place up our offcuts into the bin. We turn our soldering on before we leave, so that's just again touching the tip there, putting it away. We now take our piece of shrink wrap, push it over, and we're going to now shrink it over there. To do that, over to our hairdryer. Full bore on the hairdryer, working it directly at the shrink wrap, keeping the fingers far enough away so that they don't get burnt in the process. And rotating it round so that all of the shrink wrap actually gets